9.5? You are old. I got 6. 9.5? Oh, that's okay. I need old people. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to pay attention. Ruby the Wonder Bird is right here. Jonas, have you ever used a supersized wand? This is too big for you, sir. You're only 6, all right? I'll give you the wand that I had when I was a young lad, like you. Now, sir, this is very important. I do this for the young guys. Just going to tap it 3 times, and Ruby's going to disappear. 1, 2, 3. Go for it. You're good. Don't mess around. You're going to go next, okay? Go ahead.
Whoa.
Okay. This is supposed to be, sir. Hold on. You are a ruffian. Go stand over there. You seem more normal, okay? Even with the blue stripes all over your lips. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Be nice. Don't feel like a maniac. Why you want to do this? You see, kids always do this to the magician. This is a linguine. I don't need a linguine. You 2 ruffians, go stand in that square right over there. That's the square for the ruffians. Now you are a lady, and you're a little bit old. You're an old lady.
Oh.
Should I let her try the supersized wand?
Yeah.
So you guys are good chums. I like how you pal around and conspire to break my stuff. Please forward, lady. I'm going to let you use the supersized wand, but you're a good kid. I don't want no funny business, all right? Hold on a second. Here's what you're going to do. Very simple. 1, 2, 3. Make a wish and do it good. Now watch her. I said make a wish, not go fish. Go fish in the lake. All right, you know what? I'm never going to Dollar Tree again. I love kids. You stand right over here. Thank you. You guys stand there. We did way better with the magic wand things, okay, sir? So put your magic wand up. Now you're 6, right? I gotta have a talk with you. It's okay to use this for a wand, but I have one rule. Never put your wand in your nose. Get ready. Ruby! Everyone blow her a kiss goodbye. This is the last you're going to see her, because she is about to disappear from this hat. She's going to disappear from this hat. She's going to travel across the room. She's going to wind up right back where she was a moment ago. We have people you see here today. Can I have a drum roll, please? Magic wand, fingers up, old lady. Thank you. Kids only, abracadabra. Wowie kazam. Hocus pocus. Bam! Check it out. The great Ruby is gone. Come out here. Come. You're supposed to go over there. What's your problem? Who played a trick on me? The ruffians? Who else? The old lady? Alright, these guys have, Ruby has just told me that these little rascals are playing a trick on the old magician and put something else in this box. Now, there better not be something else in here because I'm very stressed out. I can't deal with the Jonas, okay? There's nothing else, is there, sir?
It's not funny.
I see a big poof of hair. It better not be my toupee. It is a... Where did I come from? These guys are
It's a bunny. That'd be funny.
Thank you. This is Cocoa Puff. Everybody say hello, Cocoa Puff. Now, guys, give me a second, okay? Cocoa Puff, you're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be home with your husband. And I told you 100 times, you want to be in my show. I don't like this. I like the bunny rabbits who have the floppy ears like that. Thank you. No, I said floppy.
So cute.
Floppy. Flop. Thank you. Can I tell you something? I've studied bunny rabbits, and they're very strange. If you look at a bunny rabbit from the front view, you got the little ears, you got the little eyes, you got the little nose. But if from the back, it's like, whoa. It's so cute and fluffy and big. Now look from the side. Perfectly symmetrical. See, the bunny's like an illusion unto itself. If I were to pick her up in the middle, she should be balanced because she looks like a perfectly symmetrical. Let's see if she's balanced. Whoa. Oh, look, you got some junk in the trunk. But I love you because you're the cutest little bunny. I love you. I only want to kiss you every Rabbit. I'm going to put her away for a little while. Sometimes after the show, I'll let people give her a little back massage. I should have named you Pendulum. Now, you know, kids, you guys came up here. I forgot to tell you. Coming up here and helping me, you win a prize. A full-size poster of Ruby the Wonder Bird. Full-size poster. You can hang it on the wall or in the warehouse. One full-size poster of Ruby the Wonder Bird. All right, you know what? We're going to get a little bit into the magic of the mind.